Welcome back to my channel. It's February, the month of love, boom, 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 the month of the Super Bowl. More importantly, it's time for a new Posh kit. In this month's kits, you're going to get 3 of these bags. Okay, not 3 of these bags. The new bags are pretty and pink, and I don't have any of them, and I really wish I had them, but I just don't. But you will. Your first bag's going to be pampering for me. That means these are the ones that you use for you. What does that mean? Well, that means you take these products, you go to your bathroom, you lock the door, and you keep your kids out. More importantly, it's time for a new Posh kit. In this month's kits, you're going to get 3 of these bags. Okay, not 3 of these bags. The new bags are pretty and pink, and I don't have any of them, and I really wish I had them, but I just don't. But you will. Your first bag's going to be pampering for me. That means these are the ones that you use for you. What does that mean? Well, that means you take these products, you go to your bathroom, you lock the door, and you keep your kids out. And you just breathe it in. Let's see what's in that bag. First product, feel better soon. This is our lavender soap. Look how big that bad boy is. Huge. Nice, relaxing. You can have your woosah moment. Woosah. I mean, you could choose to dose your kids with this. I mean, it's lavender. Go to sleep, go to sleep, go to sleep, go to sleep. You'll also get a lavender fizzy bath bomb. You can throw that in the tub and you just breathe it in. Now don't say, I don't have time for a tub. Take time for a tub. You're gonna put this in there, it's gonna fizz. It's gonna make you soft, it's gonna make you relaxed, and it's going to smell good. Do not open that door. Next up, our new Show and Gel hydrating gel. This is crazy. This is based on Korean technology. What it does is it goes to from a gel. See how that is? And when you rub it in, it turns almost into a water layer. Gel to water technology is what it's called. You see how glistening it is here? And it's gonna lock in the moisture. It's got aloe in it, it's got prickly pears. A lot of moisture is retained in them. Off of, in case you don't know, they grow on, cactus. Okay? But they have their own little biology that helps retain the moisture. We've utilized that to help keep the moisture in your skin. So between that and aloe vera, you are set for the summer. I just want summer to come. It's so dry and cold. Social Butterfly. This is a candied blackberry hand cream. And if you've never tried our hand creams, you have not lived. All you need is just a little bit, just a dot, not a lot. That's all you need, Posh. You're gonna rub it in. You're going to puff it. And then when you're done, you're gonna be able to snap your fingers, touch your electronics, and grab onto your kid's hand without losing it because your hands aren't gonna be greasy. You're also gonna get the Purifier Skin Stick. This guy is great for so many different things. I just got done with having the flu. You get a little congested or starting to at different points in time. You pull it underneath. Eucalyptus, tea tree, it's gonna open you right up. It's great for really oily areas. So if you get really oily, you can mattify it with the tea tree and the eucalyptus. It's gonna help acne. Tea tree is great for that. It's also good in the summer to help keep off those mosquito things. But for me, nothing really works because I am their buffet. Lastly, you're gonna have a consultant only mask. It's called the Ritual. Now, this is the old version. It is gonna come in a tube. You can see how pretty and pink that is. It is a clay-based mask, and this thing is wicked strong. It will pull those blackheads out of your nose. I always get them right here, especially right along here. And this will always turn me red right here and burn because that's where all the junk likes to live in my skin. So when it burns, I know, oh my gosh, I should have done this like days ago because I got junk in my skin, and it pulls it out. You're going to want to make sure you put on a good moisture mask afterwards because this pulls everything out. Your skin is going to be so soft afterwards. So soft. The next bag you're going to get is products for my business. Just like the bag, it had products for me. These are full-size products. You can use them for sampling. You can use them at parties. You can use them on yourself. It doesn't really matter. And this month it has a little theme to it. Let's see if you can figure out what the theme is. Up first, our moisture mask. Did I say you needed a moisture mask after something? This is our new spring one. It's loaded with carrots, which have lots of beta carotene. That's gonna brighten up your face. It smells amazing, and it's fabulous. But if you get hungry for carrots afterwards, that's not my fault. The Gender Bender Bar, our #1 soap bar. This I love because it takes everything out. High school boys love this because they can wash their face and wash their bodies. One-stop shop, pulls out all the junk, keeps them acne-free. I have mechanics that buy this to take the grease out of their hands, food truck workers, all sorts of stuff. This is my husband's first love. The Dark Detox Scrub. I think this smells a little bit like The Rock. I mean, I don't stalk him on Instagram or anything. I mean, if The Rock, if I had to pick a way The Rock would smell, it would be this way. Listen guys, if you're not a rock fan, pick your choice. I mean, Justin Timberlake's gonna be on the Super Bowl today. Maybe it's him that smells like. This is a charcoal scrub with sea salt. Sorry, I had to smell The Rock for a bit. Sea salt and sugar, and it's great because it's gonna pull all the junk out of your skin. It's gonna leave your skin squeaky clean. You can put it on before you shave, lift up those hairs. Fabulous. Our Detox Body Mud, the stripper. Bow, chicka, bow. Not that kind of stripper, people. This is the Detox Stripper. This is fabulous if you get chest knee, back knee. Those are real things, people. Stinky pits. Stinky pits. Or if you have kids like mine, when they take off their shoes and their feet smell like, and my whole car will stink, and I'm like, dude, who took off their shoes? Have them stripper their feet. You can also use it to remove bee venom if somebody gets like, I don't know, stung by a bee this spring. Or, you know, those bug bites, I put them on there, it reduces them. Or if you decide to roll around in poison ivy. I don't know why you would, but if you decide to, you can use this to pull that junk out of you. The Flower Child Skin Stick. This is chock full of good things like rosehip oil, argan oil, grapeseed oil. This is fabulous for those fine lines and wrinkles. Rosehip oil is amazing. It does smell like roses, I'm just gonna warn you, but you're gonna put it on your eye, put it wherever you need it. It's gonna help with the elasticity of your skin. It's gonna keep you looking young. Lastly, my favorite, the BFF Exfoliating Face Wash. This has aloe vera, it has grapefruit oil, it has cucumber extract. It's got sugar beads to exfoliate. This I do not leave home without. This is our #1 face wash. #1, people. You'll also get All About the Youth. All About the Youth is our unscented hand cream, but it's great because it helps the aging of the hands. Last bag, samples. Because, you know, you want to make some cha-ching, cha-ching, you gotta show people how amazing the Posh is. So you're gonna get samples in order to hand out. And this month you're gonna get bonus samples. You're gonna get, I think, some of the new Pinkies Up, which is what this is. And you're gonna get some samples of our Fantasy That Chunk, which is really neat because it's got a little shimmer to it. So pretty. In addition, you'll get a bundle of tools sent to you separately. So the tools will include such things as our new Pink Ink Core Catalog. Now we have 2 catalogs out right now. We have a Core Catalog, which is good all year long. This includes products like the BFF, the Stripper, the Dark. But we also have a Spring Catalog, which includes things like 24 carats, show and gel. You get a bundle of tools that you're going to be able to use on your business. And you're going to be able to make So you're gonna get over $200 of products and tools for, what's that magic price? Oh, right, $99. I've spent $99 on more stupid things than products that I'm gonna use. My husband's upstairs because he would probably like rattle off like 10 things that I've spent $99 on that he thought was really stupid. Want to learn more? Check out the link below. Love to have you on my team. You know why? Because you are amazing and awesome. And let's face it, my team's amazing and awesome. So we belong together. Just you and me. We belong together. I hope you guys are having a great day. And don't forget to hit subscribe. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Hit like and drop me a comment. I will see you guys later.